In this lesson, we will see some real world use cases of Model Context Protocol. So let us start. Model Context Protocol, that is MCP, is rapidly emerging as a cornerstone for AI integration. By enabling systems to interact seamlessly with diverse tools and datasets, MCP ensures security, standardization, and trust in real-world application. Let's explore how MCP is transforming key industries, beginning with healthcare. Secure access to patient records while maintaining privacy safeguards. Integration with medical research databases for evidence-based insights. Real-time symptom checkers powered by live clinical data. Now under finance. Streaming real-time market data for informed decision making. Advanced portfolio analysis and risk management tools. Automated regulatory compliance checks to meet industry standards. Now the education use case for MCP. Connection to student information systems for personalized learning. Access to global research paper repositories for academic advancement. Enhanced learning management systems with AI-driven support. In essence, MCP bridges AI with critical domains, ensuring that innovation is not only powerful but also safe, standardized, and scalable. In this lesson, we saw what are the most important use cases of MCP.